Most trading indicators are garbage. They repaint, they lag, and they fail when it matters most. But I found a combination that works, and the backtesting results are shocking. I'm going to give you the complete strategy, with all the settings, right now. First, open your TradingView indicators. Search for Deadband Super Trend, and add the one shown on screen. This indicator is special. It uses a smart baseline to ignore market chop. When the line turns green, it's a potential buy. When it turns red, it's a potential sell. But, and this is a big but, in a choppy market, it will get you wrecked. See this? Multiple false signals. This is where most traders lose money. So, here is how we fix it. We need a confirmation filter. Go back to your indicators. Search for volume momentum and add this one. This tool's job is simple. It confirms if a move has real power behind it. Green means bullish volume is in control. Red means bearish volume is in control. Now, we combine them. And the rules are incredibly simple. For a buy trade, you need two things. First, the super trend must be green. Second, the volume momentum must be green. If you don't have both, you don't trade. For a sell trade, the opposite is true. The super trend must be red, and the volume momentum must be red. No confirmation means no entry. It's that simple. Here are the optimized settings for both indicators. Pause the video here and save them to your chart. This two-indicator strategy filters out market noise and helps identify high-probability trends. If you found this strategy helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Please remember, this video is for educational purposes only. All trading involves high risk. This is not financial advice.